Today I'm taking you on a trip to Sutton. From Epsom to Sutton, you can take the S2 bus.
S2 to St Helier Station.
Sutton is one of the districts of London, located in the southern part of the city. It is known for its high number of schools with a strong academic reputation and a peaceful atmosphere. The district offers many parks, cafes, and local shops. Thanks to good transport connections, Sutton is a convenient place to live for families and people commuting to central London. Sutton's main street, known as High Street, is the lively commercial heart of the district. It features numerous shops, restaurants, cafes, and service points. The High Street combines a modern shopping center with more traditional local businesses. The street is often visited by residents and tourists, especially on weekends and during outdoor events. Sutton is well known for being one of South London's cheapest places to live, with the average house price costing £439,000 at Sutton is a leafy borough with several green spaces and parks, including Beddington Park and Nonsuch Park. Most people use Sutton, Surrey, when addressing letters to people in the town of Sutton, because the town used to be part of the county of Surrey. But it would be more accurate to use Sutton, London, because since 1965 the town has been the heart of the London borough of Sutton. Sutton is well known for being one of South London's cheapest places to live, with the average house price costing £439,000. once part of Surrey, but today it's the principal town in the London borough of Sutton, though locals still proudly hold on to its Surrey roots. Many residents continue to tag their Sutton address as being in Surrey, despite this not being entirely true. Found in Zone 5 with good transport links in and out of London, Sutton boasts award-winning parks and open spaces, low crime rates, affordable housing, and as the UK's capital and a global financial hub, London has become one of the most expensive places to live on the planet. Unfortunately, this has led to many of London's outer suburbs and towns such as Sutton being dragged along with this higher cost of living.
And that's all for today from Sutton. Thank you for joining me on this trip. Stay tuned for more videos from England and beyond.